Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. Today we're back with another glueless unit from LUVME here. This one really a 10 for me. Like, it is over the top right now. I'm super excited to show you this unit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install. And of course, LUVME here also sent us some goodies in our package, so I'll be showing you guys that and more, so go ahead and check out the video. So the unit we're working with today is their 14-inch highlighted curly unit. This one is their HD lace unit, and it comes pre-styled, pre-cut, and pre-colored for us. It is super pretty. I love how gorgeous this unit is. And this one is 100% glueless and beginner friendly, and I will be showing you guys that today. So go ahead and check out the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video. this is the final look. It is giving us a really gorgeous finish. I love how versatile this unit is. It is 100% glueless, and if I wanted it to be like a side part, I would just put it to the side like this, and it still gives us a really super pretty finish. And this is it. Like, I love it. Remember guys, I will be leaving the link down below, so make sure you go ahead and get one of these. Get yourself one of these units. Flawless, gorgeous look. It's giving trendy and I love it. Super pretty, super easy to install. Make sure you go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. Again, this unit is from LUVME here. As always, make sure you go ahead and check them out. I will be leaving their website down below. Guys, this is where I'll leave you for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.